Hey guys, so last week I had to travel to Hyderabad with my brother for crucial personal work. I'm gonna share my COVID flying and my quarantine experience. It is important that we arrive at the airport at least 2 or 3 hours before the departure, as there are so many uncertainties around the COVID checks and also generally in terms of the schedule. It is mandatory to install the Arogya Setu app if you are traveling or flying, which assists us with all the information mentioned on the screen, and it is mandatory that we do a web check-in before we arrive at the airport. So if the destination state mandates an e-pass, then you need to provide the e-pass to check in. Earlier, the check-in counter closed only 25 or 45 minutes before the flight departure, but now it closes 60 minutes before the flight departure. And another norm in Indigo is that even if your suitcase is really tiny, you cannot carry a suitcase in your hand luggage. You have to check in the suitcase no matter what. So check with your respective operators if you can carry a briefcase or a suitcase as a cabin baggage. Now, with regards to the COVID gear, ensure that you buy the N95 mask because it prevents even the smallest airborne particle entering into your nose or your mouth. The mask can cause slight discomfort if worn for a long duration. So remember to carry a spare mask which you can swap with this one, or even the airline would provide you with a COVID kit which comes with a sanitizer, a COVID helmet and a regular mask. Remember to keep the mask on throughout your journey and even in the airport. At no point remove the mask. Most importantly, remember to sanitize your hand frequently or keep your pair of gloves on throughout the journey. Avoid buying food in the airport in this critical situation. Also, there will be no food or drinks provided during your journey once you board the flight. So ensure that you pack enough food for your journey. Also, refrain from using the washroom as much as possible. If you have an elderly or an older adult traveling with you, ensure that you secure them with adult diapers. Maintain social distancing while you board the flight, and also once you board the flight, the seat between the aisle and the window seat is always empty. The flight doesn't operate in full capacity to ensure that there is that space between two passengers. In uncertain times like these, go prepared for a quarantine. Carry those extra set of clothes and extra medications, so in case even if you're quarantined, you don't panic. After we arrived in Coimbatore, they took our COVID test, and it would take at least a day before we get to know the results. Until then, we are going to be quarantined. So they'll give you a set of hotels from which you can pick and choose, and you need to pay for it. So finally, I can take off my mask, and I have reached this private hotel where I'm put on a 1-day quarantine. And once my results are out, hopefully all good, I can leave back home. So now my results are out and it's negative, so I'm packing to get back home. All is well. This is a super quick disinfectant to clean your nose and your mouth. So take half a glass of lukewarm water, add 4 to 5 drops of betadine into it, and add 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt. Mix it, gargle your mouth like at least for 30 seconds, and then use that also to clean your nose. So this ensures your nose and your mouth is completely disinfected. Remember to stay home quarantined at least for 7 days after your travel, because there have been few cases where if the test was done too early, then COVID goes undetected. In case you have a point to add based on your travel experience, please leave it in the comment section below. It would be useful for other people as well. I hope the video was informative and useful. In case you're planning to travel, have a safe travel and have a good week ahead. Also remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.